Coming back to Crypto Q Media channel is an absolute delight. Salutations, all. Just so you know, I'm still really sure that XRP's all-time high was a whole year ago. In fact, I would have been the proud owner of XRP at that time if I could have magically raised its price to $4. But I've been certain that now is the time to hold XRP ever since. You have missed the best moment in XRP history if you have held onto it since the high. Among the several reasons for this are the measurements that I have highlighted on this channel, the market's bullishness, and the clarity of the law. What follows is an explanation of the reasoning behind the sentiment research that a chain analytics firm conducted, which shows that XRP is among the 5 most lucrative assets. Some people may be shocked to hear this, but it's the truth. I should probably make it clear that I am not from a wealthy family. As a second point, I'd want to show you a post I made on X earlier today. I have some theories as to why XRP is treated differently from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I am not a financial advisor, so you should not put your money where your mouth is based on what I say or do. Just an enthusiast here that enjoys making short films about cryptocurrency for fun on YouTube. I suppose it would be best if we go straight in. Headlined by Crypto Basic Statistics, XRP remains one of the 5 most lucrative assets despite its issues. How is that even possible? You may be asking. Would you be so kind as to explain to me how you plan to measure XRP's success? I mean, come on, put it next to Bitcoin and Solana, that's embarrassing. The relative value of XRP relative to the US dollar has been favorable during the previous 2 years. However, I find this metric quite intriguing. As we progress, you'll see that many people have complete faith in XRP and are prepared to cling onto it through thick and thin. I would remain one of those individuals that is adamant about telling anything. Anyway, even if a recently discovered technical defect in the code resulted in irreparable harm. Yeah, I get your point, but I still don't think XRP's acceptance will slow down anytime soon without a truly disastrous event. Even though its price has been erratic, Sentiment, a platform that measures user activity, nevertheless ranks XRP as one of the 5 most profitable mainstream assets. The failure of XRP to regain the critical price level since its drop below 60 cents on April 12 has been the subject of stablecoin teasing, and this fresh revelation comes at the same time. For more than 2 months, XRP has failed to surpass the 50-cent threshold, even though the market as a whole has experienced periodic price surges. Regardless, XRP has shown its resilience by maintaining its 50-cent support. Investors, nevertheless, remain concerned about the market's lack of enthusiasm. Although XRP hasn't dropped that much, it did drop below 50 cents yesterday. So be it. Interestingly, Sanskrit recently reported that most XRP in circulation is presently trading at a profit. Profit and supply data were made public by the on-chain analytics tool Metric. To those who aren't familiar, this indicator compares the token's value today to its value when it was first recorded on the blockchain. Sentiment is right on the money if the token's present profit or loss is lower than its initial price. That will be covered shortly, but for now, know that it has a direct correlation to the amount of tokens that are now in circulation. As I mentioned before, though, I was planning to make a broader case. There are plenty of other people that make just as much money as me because I just do not sell. For the first several years after getting into crypto at the very end of 2017, amidst the crazy alt season and all, I had no idea what to do with XRP and the majority of my currencies. It was like that during the accumulation period. Following the bursting of the crypto boom, I began purchasing when prices were falling, including XRP. During the bear market accumulation period, I was either down for what seemed like a lifetime or broke even with XRP and a few of other currencies. Some people, though, are just like stuff. I include myself among them. Even though XRP is trading at a reduced rate at the moment due to the SEC's intervention, the market will eventually rise. Regardless, XRP is still trading at a far higher rate, and the wider crypto community has offered absolutely no support during the SEC versus Ripple litigation. Hello there. The going rate for XRP is about 25 cents. While a 2x increase over such a long period of time is clearly not ideal in the cryptocurrency market, the lack of a bull market is much more problematic. Sure, XRP did break $2, but it was the sole reason it didn't set a new record. The current market conditions are ideal for some people to make a killing, In fact, doubling the value would still be better than the stock market. According to the standards of what crypto should be, it is, of course, good. Actually, it is, but we were lied to. Taken together, it highlights the fact that, for those who remain steadfastly patient, it does in fact keep going up. On top of that, I have no doubt that XRP will keep doing record-breaking business discoveries. I am still convinced this is true, even if no one has provided concrete evidence to support it. There isn't a big yearly influx of new XRP into the ecosystem, and XRP has been existing for a long time, according to the sentiment indicator. Nearly 200 million XRP annually. It all started with the creation of XRP, of course. On the other hand, Solana and many other networks expand their supply by a much larger amount than the fresh supply of around 2.4 billion XRP every year. Also, if you're upset about ripples flooding the market, the issue isn't always with the supply. Your main focus should be on demand. The market has caught up, even though XRP wasn't always competitive in that area. That is why I keep harping on how important it is to remain patient. So be it. The status quo is unchanged. Based on this figure, it can be concluded that Bitcoin is the most profitable cryptocurrency with a circulating supply of 98.3%. With 95.1% of its supply in profit, Ethereum comes in second, while Bitcoin is still hovering at its all-time high of $73,000, which it set on March 14. Take a look at the post itself. XRP's profit margin is 78.8% obvious. We wouldn't be having this discussion if XRP wasn't durable. But now that it's been out for 12 years, everyone can see the flaws and feel guilty about them. On the other hand, I think we'll be the ones who are satisfied with the outcome and proven right if we can muster the patience to wait. The original reason I uploaded this piece on social media site X was to consider comparable issues. I have some theories as to why XRP has been heavily criticized. Check it out right this second. I wrote an essay in which I questioned the ongoing criticism of XRP for what seems like an endless stream of complaints about its usability, DeFi activity, NFT activity, and TVL, total value locked, job duties for programmers, etc. But it doesn't appear like the Bitcoin community is going through the same process. My question is, why? Many Bitcoiners may not see Bitcoin as much more than a store of value, which could be a contributing factor. It is difficult to hold Bitcoin responsible for this, considering it is arguably the most technologically primitive cryptocurrency ever created. Now I'm convinced that these arguments are entertaining, and I think it's great that the XRP community is optimistic about the future of XRP. Their motivations aren't appealing to me since I get the impression that they're really emotionally invested. Conversely, our community has always held XRP in high regard because to its usefulness. That is the end of the video. It would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe and like my channel. Finally, goodbye is coming up soon.